Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in this construction industries, trying to present a small presentation on how to calculate force piece index, which is generally known as a FSI. What is the force piece index and floor area coefficient? What is the housing index? The indoor area index, that is an FSI, is the ratio of the total area of a property to the built up area. It is also known as the floor area coefficient, which is FAR. Area of index is equal to built up area divided by the total area. In general, FSI is known as a floor space covered in all floors divided by the area of the plot. Suppose you have a 5000 square feet plot where you want to build a 3500 square feet building, single floor, and left the rest for the garden. Now FSI becomes 3500 divided by 5000 is equal to 0.70. If you build a second floor, the built-up area also increases. For example, if you built a 2500 square feet on the ground floor and 2500 square feet on the first floor, then the total built-up area becomes 5000 square feet. Lower floor of 2500 square feet plus first floor of square feet. So now the FSI becomes 5000 divided by 5000 is equal to 1. The images will show you how this calculation has been worked out. The need of an FSI. Why do we need an FSI? Everyone on earth wants to fully own their property. No one wants to share their wealth with others. If this happens to everyone, it will be difficult to maintain the generosity towards the environment. It also affects the urban development of the city. It will be difficult for a people to have a fresh air, difficult to bring people together, difficult for a people to park their cars. It will be difficult for a people to maintain a green environment. The road becomes more and more transported and polluted. Suppose you built a 3000 square foot building of ground floor within your budget of 3000 square feet on the ground floor. Your neighborhood has built a 5000 square feet building in which 12 families move in. Imagine a scene of a moment and the pollution caused by a small community area, which is why the government has introduced the FSI rules. How is FSI calculated? No city counts FSI for the city. It is a roadmap of the City Town Planning Directorate, section of each city, and is based on a number of factors such as plot sizes, road width, that is, it ranges from residential to commercial. Transportation based development zone, that is an impact zone, and growth current population. As the above FSI factors for different cities shows, it is not stable across the country. Different therefore, it is advisable to check the ISP, that is the FSI, in your area as per the City Town Planning Directorate section. FSI can range from 1.2 to 5 in rural areas. Again, the following values are not static. City Planning Directorate from time to time can adjust according to the city needs. Permissible FSI area in various cities. In Ahmedabad, it is 1.2 to 1.8, Bangalore 1.75 to 3.5, Chennai 1.5 to 3.5, Delhi 1.5 to 4, Kolkata 1.5 to 2.5, Mumbai 1.33 to 3, Pune 1.5 to 2.5. Kindly check with the concerned city DC rules to know the exact FSI permissible. The above statement is only an indication. Calculation of a residential construction area. We see an example of calculation of construction area for a residential building of a plot 1000 square feet. Suppose the location are going to create the FSI value 2, then the area we can construct or create is 1000 into 2, 2000 square feet. See the images. It will indicate you, even you can construct it 2 floors of 1000 square feet or 4 floors of 500 square feet, both are FSI 2 only. It can build as a 300 square feet or a 2000 square feet floors. Also choose based on the following factors. In order to comply with the City Planning Authority regulation, it is important to have a minimal impact around the building. Maximum integrated floor space provides ample parking space and roofs are excluded from the floor space index. There are restrictions. Only the area of interest is included in the calculation. FSI benefits compliance with the FSI regulation benefits both the owners and the city. It provides ample fresh air and sunlight, ensuring a proportion of the open and developed space in the city. This ensures city and city settings. This ensures planned development of the area, providing the public with appropriate transportation facilities, protects the environment and government from pollution. What is premium FSI? You may have had FSI premium. There is nothing more than additional FSI quota the government allocates for a premium developer royalties. To take advantage of this, the width of the street must be at least 30 feet. The FSI premium number varies 20 to 40% depending upon the width of the road, that is of 30 to 60 feet, compared to the approved limit. Example of calculation. Suppose you have paid a premium to receive 20% extra FSI premium. Which area can be created now? Suppose the total area of the building is equal to ground area into normal ISP, I mean FSI, and premium ISP, that is an FSI. Suppose you have 2000 square feet of a land. Total area of the building is equal to 2000 into 1.5 into 1.2, that is a 3600% of the square feet of area.